we then have the ability to start to look at how we might output this information. And one of the techniques we can use here, there's two techniques here we can take a look at. So if we just bring our view in slightly and pan over and just rotate the view slightly. This is how we'd like to present our view to the recipient. One of the options we have here is a very quick and effective, simple way of sending out a rendered image. In the search ribbon, we can type save, and the first one here is called save image. In this dialog, we have a few settings. We can choose the format, the view. We can ignore the lines and text, but in this context, we'd like to keep them. And the anti-aliasing quality is very important. We want to avoid the jagged edges you'll see from pixelations on the screen. For this exercise, we'll choose a 30 centimeter width page with a DPI dots per inch of 300, and we can hit save. And push this out to a folder. And the resulting image looks like so as a JPEG. As you can see, it's very clean and crisp, very easy to understand and read, and the recipient really doesn't have any debate as to what's to what. This took about 15 seconds to produce, so it's a nice, quick, very simple way of producing images. The second method we'd look at is the render scene. And this style uses the Luxology rendering engine to produce a rendered image. Now, it's a very simple quality, this one. We haven't used any high resolution or things like that. What we're interested in here is desaturating the image and laying some line work over the top. So let's lay the line work over the top first by clicking on display invisible edges. And you can see that line work we have over the top. And what we can do, we can open up the image settings and play with a few of the sliders here. So we might give it a bit of brightness just to bleach out that material. So the material is still evident. We still have some falls of light and shadow into the scene. We can play with the contrast to lift that around a bit. We also have the gamma over here, which helps us to add some effects to it. And we can play with the bloom as well, just to bleach that out a little if we like. So from there, we have a nice image as well, which uses some of the sunlighting effects. So there's two options there to play with. As a tip, the finer the lines are produced by the higher the value up here.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.